Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. Welcome back to your EVS class, student. Today date is 11 February 2021 and I am teaching you chapter number 15 and name of the chapter is means of communication. So student, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in our previous video. So in the previous video, student, we have started the book exercises of chapter number 15 and question number A, tick the correct answer, we have already completed. Question number B, fill in the blanks, we have completed. Now today we will start from question number C. Match the abbreviations to their full forms. To their full form. See, STD, first one is STD, second is GPO, third one is PCO, fourth one is fax, and fifth one is email. Electronic mail, electronic mail, public call office, then general post office, General Post Office. Next is facsimile machine. Facsimile machine. Next is subscriber trunk dialing. Subscriber trunk dialing. Subscriber trunk dialing. Now see student, match the abbreviations to their full form. So it is written in the short form and we have to match with the right full form of this. So first one is STD. So what is the full form of STD? Subscriber trunk dialing. So this is the right match. STD means subscriber trunk dialing. Now next, GPO. So it stands for the General Post Office. GPO means General Post Office. Next is PCO. So PCO stands for Public Call Office. PCO stands for student Public Call Office. Public Call Office. Next is fax. Fax is a facsimile machine. Okay. So you can send by this mean of communication. You can send handwritten or type message. Handwritten message you can also send and typed message you can send, and fax, this is connected to the telephone lines. This is connected to the telephone line. So fax is a fax file machine. Next is the email. Email is a electronic mail. So this facility is available in the computer also, mobile also, in the laptop also. But what are the things required for sending the email to any person? First is whether you having a mobile, computer, laptop or tablet. And next thing is the internet connection. And the most important thing is that if you want to send email to any person, so you must know the email ID of that person. If you want to send a email to any person, then you must know the email ID of that person. that is known as email, and its full form is electronic mail. Its full form is electronic mail. Now let's start with the question number D. Give short answer to the following question. Give short answer to the following question. Now we will start question number D. Give short answer. Give short answer. Question number 1. Question number 1. What do you mean by communication? Okay. What do you mean by communication? What do you mean by communication? See student, when we speak or when we listen to anyone, read, or when we write, this is the methods how we can communicate with the other person. So whether we speak, whether we listen, or whether we read or write, in this way we can communicate with the other person, and this is the way how we share our thoughts and feelings with other. This is the way how we share our thoughts and feelings with the other person. This is known as means of communication. Okay, this is known as mean of communication. And when we talk about mean of communication, it is further divided into two parts. That is, one is personal mean of communication. Examples like phone, mobile phone, post office services, like letters, inland letters, postcard, envelopes, greeting cards, okay, fax machine. So this is the personal mean of communication. And mass mean of communication, like radio, when we communicate with a large number of people at the same time. So radio, television, your newspaper, magazine, books, these are the example of mass communication. So communication is the way how we, the method how we communicate. So whether we speak or listen or we read or write, this is the way how we communicate with the other person, and in this manner we can share our thoughts and feeling with other people. Okay, now note down the answer. The method of method of sending and sending and receiving the method of sending and receiving messages are known as means of communication. Okay, so the method of sending and receiving, is it clear? The method of sending and receiving messages are known as means of communication, and for this there are many methods. Both I tell you, because means of communication is divided into two parts, that is personal mean of communication and another is mass mean of communication. So note down the answer, or even you can take a screenshot also, then you can note down in your copy. Now the next question number 2. Name any 3 ancient means of communication. Ancient means we are talking about the past time, ठीक है, पास्ट टाइम की हम बात कर रहे हैं कि जब देखो, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल नोट डाउन द क्वेश्चन. नेम any 3 ancient means of communication. Name any 3 ancient means of communication. So देखो बेटा, it means ancient means we are talking about the past time. Before the time, see what's happened here, when the human beings are able to read the language and when they are able to write the language also, then in the old time, past time, postal communication become a very popular mean of communication. After that, due to development in science and technology, many invention has done. the fastest mean of communication is invented, that is telephone. And after telephone, the more advanced mean of communication was invented, that is your mobile phone. That is your mobile phone. Lot of facilities are available in the mobile phone. But before all these, मतलब हम उस समय की बात कर रहे हैं, लेटर भी जब नहीं हुआ करते थे, पीपल्स, देयर इज नो पोस्टल कम्युनिकेशन, जब कोई पोस्टल कम्युनिकेशन, पोस्ट ऑफिस सर्विसेज नहीं थी, टेलीफोन्स नहीं थे, मोबाइल्स नहीं थे, देन एट दैट टाइम हाउ द पीपल कम्युनिकेट? इज इट क्लियर? सो at that time when there is no postal communication service facilities available, there is no telephone, no mobile phone, so at that time how the people communicate? So the method of communication at that time, that is through drum beats, pigeons or messengers, or through smoke signal. So these are the ancient method how the people communicate with each other. Okay, now note down the answer. Three ancient means of communication are three ancient mean of communication are through drum beats, second, pigeons or messengers. Pigeons or messengers. Through smoke. Through smoke. Is it clear? Through smoke. One is how they communicate. Through three ancient means of communication are through drum beats. Okay, this is also the method which is followed in the ancient time by through the drum beats, pigeons or messengers. So messengers are, they move from one region to another region, or at that time the early human beings, they cover the distance while walking also, but when they learn to ride the animals, so they sit on the back of the animals, they use horses at that time, and they messages are sent to different regions by the messengers also, and through smoke. So student, these are the methods. Note down or you can take a screenshot. Now question number 3. What do you mean by internet? What do you mean? What do you mean by internet? So what is a computer? इंटरनेट ये एक ऐसा नेटवर्क है, इट लिंक ऑल द कंप्यूटर थ्रू द वर्ल्ड. ठीक है, इट इज ए नेटवर्क दैट लिंक कंप्यूटर ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड विद द हेल्प ऑफ ए टेलीफोन लाइन्स एंड सैटेलाइट्स. इज इट क्लियर? क्योंकि बेटा आपकी जितनी भी आज जो इतनी एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी हो गई है, सो दे ऑल आर वर्किंग ड्यू टू इंटरनेट फैसिलिटीज़. जितनी भी चीज़ें हो रही हैं इंटरनेट पर. मोबाइल्स में आज इतने ज़्यादा ऐप्स हैं. आप देखो कोविड-19 चल रहा है, आपकी ऑनलाइन स्टडी भी किस पे चल रही है? मोबाइल पे ही चल रही है. तो जितनी भी फैसिलिटीज़ अवेलेबल हैं, these are due to internet services. Due to internet services. So note down the answer. It is a network. It is a network that links computer that links computer all over the world. All over the world with the help of telephone, with help of telephone lines and satellites. See, what do you mean by internet? It is a network that links computer all over the world. All over the world with the help of telephone lines and satellites. Thank you, student.